Hello viewers and welcome back to my another video. Today we are going to learning about in that part 10 lesson NaNs, info and then combine. So let's get started into our main pandas video. Firstly, we need to open our Visual Studio Code in our desktop, and then when we created your first data file, so left click mouse, and then here is our new file. Click here and then call it demo3, demo4, enter it, and then here is the demo4 empty file. We are now importing the pandas. So let me import pandas as pd. When it's imported, we are going to making the data. So double tap 2 times and then right here data equals to what? 1, 9, 3, 7, 2. Custom numbers. And enter it 2 times. Okay. Enter it 2 times. And then we are going to make the series. So S equals to pd dot series. What series? This data series. Data. Now our data has imported. Now we are going to print the series. Print series. I call it series 1 equals to comma, and then here is our S means series S. Our series data has imported, and now enter it 2 times another, and this is our series, and we are going to importing the series information. So hashtag series information colon print series info comma s dot info bracket. Our info is ready. Info series is ready. Now here is our run button. Click here, and this is our data. This is our info, and this is our data series 1, and this is a D type data type, and here is our data, and this is says memory uses 1.172 bytes, and this is non-null count D type function. It says this series information and this series name of what? This is series name non. If this series name custom numbers, it said row A, row B, row C, row D. You can call it to row A. Now you are going to how to combine the series. So import pandas as pd, enter it, and then data 1 equals to 1, 2, 7, 6, 5. Now is imported data 1, make the data 2. So data 2 equals to bracket 8 and then 1, 8, 10, 2, 16. Now is data 2 has completed. And now we are going to see this series data 1 and data 2 series. So enter it 2 times, and then S1 means series 1 equals to pd dot series data 1 another time S2 equals to pd dot series data 2. Now we are going to print out the data. So equals it 2 times, equals not, enter it 2 times, and then print brackets, and then the series 1 and comma 8, and then here is our S1. We are going to importing the S1. So S1 write down, and now S1 has imported, and print another time the series 2 x2 equals to space it, comma, s2. Now imported, and we are going to now using the def function. So def demo, I call it demo, you can call it anything else, bracket x1 comma x2 colon enter it, and then if x1 greater than x2 colon return x1. Another time, else return x2. Now our demo we are making, and then enter it 2 times and backspace it, and now we are going to print out the data. Firstly, we are going to combine the data. So cs1 equals to s1 dot combine bracket it, another time s1 comma, we are going to what combine? This combine demo, make this in that time. Now importing this in this time demo. Now this is this data 1 and this is the data 2. When we can combine, we can see the result of this data. So now this combine has completed. Now printing out the combine. So print perfect combine. I call it perfect combine. Equals to, comma, here is our S1 called S1. You can call it result. I call it S1. Now when it's done, here is our run function. Now this is our result. This is the series 1 and this is the series 2, and that is the combined series. There is the 1, 2, 2, 7, 3, 6, 4, 5. That's the result of the combine. And this is the normal function dtype integer 64. Now the compile method is done, and now we are going to seeing the hashness. So seeing this hashness, cut it all that, backspace it, and then another import pandas spd import numpy as np. We are going to sing the numpy and pandas. So enter it 2 times and making the data. D means data equals to 1, 2, 6, 7. This is my demo data, and seeing this np function nan, so comma it, and then np dot nan hashness function, enter it, and then s equals to td dot series d, enter, print that the hashness series equals to, enter it, and then comma s dot hashness. Now when it is made and run this code, here is the run function, click here, and this is our data. This is the perfect combined data we are made 2-3 minutes ago, and this is this NumPy and Pandas function. This is our 273645 series, and that is this integer function. And the hasness series is true, means our data is in the series. So the series is gone, and hasness function has gone, and the inform function has gone, and combine function. I can give my code into my description. This is my video. If you like my video, so subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon button to get more support. Assalamualaikum. Part 11 is coming.